Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. 3 men and 8 women have been nominated for the RJRGleaner Sports Foundation National Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year Awards. The 3 men are 110-meter hurdles Commonwealth Games champion Rashid Broadbell, World Championships finalist and Commonwealth Games silver medalist Jaheel Hyde, and Jamaica and West Indies batsman Rovman Powell. The women's side is led by world champions Shelley and Fraser-Pryce and Sharika Jackson, along with Commonwealth Games triple jump champion Shanika Ricketts. Commonwealth double sprint champion Elaine Thompson-Hera is also nominated, with World Championships 100-meter hurdles silver medalist Brittany Anderson. High jumper Lamara Distin, who won the gold medal at the Commonwealth Games, along with 400-meter hurdles champion Genevieve Russell, are the other track and field nominees. World number 1 goal shooter Janelle Fowler completes the list of 8 women nominees. Meanwhile, the People's Choice Award Performance of the Year award position has Fabian Allen's catch in the Caribbean Premier League, Sharika Jackson's national record run in the 200 metres at the World Championships, Shelley and Fraser-Pryce's 100-metre win at the World Championships, Harbourview's Nicholas Hamilton's wonder goal in the Jamaica Premier League knockout stages, and the Reggae Girls' 4-0 win over Haiti to qualify for the FIFA Women's World Cup. In the meantime, Fraser-Pryce and rising stars Jaden Hibbert and Karika Hill will know today if they've been voted the Athlete of the Year at the World Athletics Awards show. Fraser-Pryce is up against Nigerian 100-meter hurdles champion and world record holder Toby Amusan, 400-meter hurdles world record holder and world champion Sidney McLaughlin, world triple jump champion Yulimar Rojas, and race walker Kimberly Garcia from Peru. Fraser-Pryce is nominated on the back of winning the 100 meters for a record-extending 5th time, becoming the Diamond League 100-meter champion, as well as running a world-leading 10.62 seconds and logging a record 7 sub-10.7 seconds clockings for the season. Meanwhile, there are no Jamaican men on the 5-man shortlist for the Male Athlete of the Year award. Now, those nominated are American Noah Lyles, Kenya's Eliud Kipchoge, Jakob Ingebrigtsen from Norway, along with Sweden's Mondo Duplantis and Morocco's Soufiane El Bakali. Hibbert, the world under-20 triple jump champion, is up against the likes of Letsile Tebogo of Botswana and American Arian Knighton. Hill, who ran the fastest 100-meter hurdles time of the year and captured the world under-20 title, is up against the Kenyan pair of Faith Cherotich and Jacqueline Chepkoech. The awards show starts at 2 p.m. 2018 runners-up Croatia and Japan were locked at a goal apiece in extra time in their round of 16 encounter at the FIFA World Cup in Qatar. Daitsun Maeda opened the scoring for Japan in minute 43 to give them a 1-0 lead going into the break. Ivan Perisic then equalized for Croatia in the 55th minute. The winner sets up a date with the winner of the Brazil versus South Korea encounter. And the Brazilians, as we told you, will welcome talisman Neymar for their round of 16 clash against the South Koreans at Stadium 974 in their kickoff at 2 p.m. The Brazilians topped Group G with 6 points despite a stunning 1-0 defeat to Cameroon, their first group stage defeat since 1998. Neymar hasn't played since the opening match against Serbia, where he suffered ankle ligament damage. Right back Danilo is also expected back, but will play at left back today with Alexandro out with a thigh injury. Meanwhile, the South Koreans finished second in Group H with a dramatic 2-1 win over Portugal and eliminated former champions Uruguay in the process. They'll be led by Tottenham forward Heung-min Son. The last time both teams met was in an international friendly in June, where the Brazilians ran out 5-1 winners. And that's it for your midday sports report. Shamela?
Thank you, Jordan. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.